Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a two stars Sudoku. In additional, not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, because on Wednesday, May the 25th, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no, it's the edition of yesterday. Yesterday, Tuesday, May the 24th, 2022, we have three puzzles left. The first puzzle I have already solved a minute ago, a 1 star. We have the 2 stars, the technotic with 1 star, and the binary left. But now it's time for the 2 stars Sudoku number 4605. 4605. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. We have a 1 in the first row. A third row, sorry, correction. The 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then. Yeah. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here, 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. All right. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3. I'm scanning. All right. How about? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. We have a pair. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, and we have a 3 in this row. We have a 1 and a 3 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. All right. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column. In the middle column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. The 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in this box. 3 should be here. And the 6, it goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Oh, wait. Okay. I'm scanning. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, and look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 8. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then. Well. We have a 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers. Oh, wait. Let me finish with the 9. 9 in this column. Last column. 9 in that column. So the column between the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here, 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and 2, 4. Yes, the 4, we have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row are both. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then. Well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me think. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so here can be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. How about? Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah. Well. I'm thinking. No. 2, 6 and a 3. 3 missing numbers in this first row. Those missing numbers in the first row are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 2. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. 3. 1. No. 7, 8, 4, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 8. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Yeah. 1 box left in this last column. 4 number: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 here, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. This box should be 3. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and this box should be an 8. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes, 1 and a 4. Alright. Then do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 4. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row. Oh, do we have all the 3s? Yeah. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 3. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku, and I've managed to solve this again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 3rd puzzle, a binary puzzle it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.